Well, so we have a train blocking a very busy road here. I don't know why it's stopped for. We do have a flashing green signal over here. And look, this NS train is a parking lot right now, as I would say. This is gonna be a problem. We are here at Ohio 225 North, I believe. Yeah, that's right. That's right. That is where we are at. Oh man, here come all the cars that do not want to wait on this one road here. He's also blocking that one other road right there. He is blocking like 6 crossings here. Could be possibly more than that. But down there, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And he just barely passed that other road down there. We have an eastbound coming, but I don't know why this train stopped, because he went into a emergency stop. I know there is a tornado warning somewhere. I don't know where, but I know it's not here in Alliance.
It's not anywhere near us.
But we do have a really bad storm in Ridgeville, Ohio, so...
And we got away from that by luck.
We might be having to wait here until the storm passes away from there. I don't know yet. We have a 3-hour drive to get back to my dad's house. And this Ohio Storm Center on Facebook keeps posting updates about a severe weather alert. That was my second notification from there, from the last...
Tell the folks how many trains you've seen in the last 20 minutes.
Oh, well, folks, I've seen 3 trains so far, even though I did not film this train all the way through, because the train stopped.
Right.
And because I did not feel like filming it.
And you wished you had, because it's a DVU already. Where's this train out of, Cleveland?
Yes, and I don't know why it stopped.
Maybe hit the brakes, man.
Well, good luck, Amazon Prime truck. We have an eastbound coming through, and I can see its headlight right now.
Yeah.
So we got an eastbound coming straight ahead over there, folks.
All right.
So after this train goes by, this one should move. This one here was a westbound, and it went into a emergency stop. It was like it stopped here in the middle of nowhere. It's like it came from like going 40 to 50 mile an hour to be going to a stop.
Oh, yeah, it's a complete stop.
And there's a headlight down there too. It's a headlight right now too. Oh, there it is, Daddy. Look how far is he? Daddy, on the left, how far is he? Well, it literally just now stopped, and there's another train heading the opposite direction right now. So it should be moving after this one.
Hey, good luck.
Say good luck.
Yeah.
Man, I got deliveries over there.
I bet you do.
Well, it should be moving very soon.
might be able to go down to Florida and turn around.
Yeah, right.
Down to Florida and turn around? I bet. I know this is a long ass train too.
It is.
I just don't know where.
This is a super long train, this one.
This isn't even the one from Berea. Daddy, are they both moving out of no?
He's not going to get around this train. No way to run. That train is miles already down there. So,
Daddy,
where's he going to cross over? He's not.
Daddy, he's blocking 6 crossings too.
Oh, I know. That would be stressful if you were an Amazon driver and you were delivering packages.
Out of here.
Yes, that would be very stressful. I get it. I understand it.
Is the other one moving out at all?
No.
Daddy, is it safe to cross any of these roads here in the lines at all?
This poor guy here, man, he's just stuck here, and all he wants to do is get down the road, and he can't.
What about the guy straight ahead in the video? Look at straight ahead in the video.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I'm saying he just wants to get down the road, he can't.
Well, this other one should be on the move after this. Daddy, are the gates gonna be going up after it?
Yep.
And any of these crossings at all? Oh,
Yep. Oh no!
no. Did this other one stop fast?
Yeah, as soon as you said, I hope he stops, and then he did. God looked down and said, okay, Caleb, I'll stop the train for you. And you know what? He did. You need to watch what you wish for.
Can we wait until it moves?
We have to wait till it moves. How about that?
No matter what.
You have to wait till it moves. There's no way out of here.
Before we can head home.
Yeah, there's no way out of here.
Not over here.
Now, I may call Norfolk Southern.
No.
No. You know what they need is a road with a bridge that goes over the train track.
Daddy,
Then people could just get on around, wouldn't have to do this.
Daddy, he is past that one road down there in the line.
Is
Yeah, but not at either of these side roads.
is it a guy in a wheelchair down there?
No. He's on a different bike.
Look how long this one is. Good grief. These trains are long out here.
Way longer than the orange. Well, listen, no.
Yeah, way longer.
Daddy, sit down in your chair. At least I am on the side where the car is. But Daddy, I wish I wasn't. I wish I was on the other side, and then you would never.
You need to stay with the car.
You would never get around me. Good luck, everyone. Good luck. It's not only this train, but there is a train stop. Now are these 6 gates gonna be going up? No. Oh, it's starting to move now.
What?
Well, little bit. you worry, everyone is starting to move. Well, it's about time, folks. Blocking a very busy road, folks. The one here had 2 engines and an engine in the middle, and it looks like he has another 20-some cars left. Well, good luck. It isn't like there's like 5 more cars left. There's like 20 more train cars left. He's blocking 2 more crossings on the right. While he was. By the way, I might have a couple more videos for you all folks. But by then, we will have to start heading into Michigan. And no, I do not live near Alliance, Ohio. Today was my first time being out here. By the way, folks, there is a severe thunderstorm warning today. Today is August 20th. On a Saturday, it is about 5:10 p.m. I don't know if the severe thunderstorm warning is still continuing, but last thing I heard is that we were under a severe thunderstorm warning for out here. Daddy, see the end of it yet? If you do, Daddy, let this guy know that you can see the end. See the end of it yet? Huh? Okay, I guess you can let him know. The end of it is coming. Only off by 10 more train cars, I think.
Yeah.
Should you let him know, or is this a very busy road?
Yeah.
And folks, I might have a couple more videos here, but then that will have to be it for here. Next time, when my dad takes me out on a Saturday, I do want to come back out here because of how many trees there are.
This will be a once
Look at that kind of blink, but it's not blinking. Look at that, it's very small kind of a blink. Oh, finally, right? Man, that poor man had to wait for a long time. Didn't he? I zoomed it up at that crossing going up. So, you're welcome, folks. I might have a couple more. Oh no, the gates are going back down. Look, they're going back down. Daddy, those gates are going back down. Now they're going back up. Okay, anymore? Hopefully not here. Daddy, my guess is it's because of that one train going very slow, and that's why it activated it again. Could that be why, Daddy? Well, there you have it. On the NS Cleveland district. Hopefully, the one from Berea gets here soon. Oh, there's a yellow on top, Daddy. Yep. Look at it. Behind you. But it was all red at first. There's our ice creams that got spoiled because of this weather. Well,
Those are supposed to be one scoops.
well, my dad's ice cream broke onto the ground. Now it's all full of dirt.
I'm gonna eat it anyway.
No, don't. Okay, so before this eastbound gets here, I guess that is it for right now.
Because we'll have